my name's Aaron, I work for Avolites. Today we're going to give you a quick tour of the AI media server on version 9. So one of the most obvious new features is the corner button that we've got here. So on previous versions we had the buttons in the corner, but we realised we needed more space. So we've introduced the new corner button here, which opens out in a useful tree and hopefully separates the different tasks into the different groups that you would require. So another really key thing that we've added in version 9 is better audio control. So on previous versions of AI, we just had one layer fader that would control the intensity of the layer. Now you can see we have both an audio and a video fader at the top. And if I left click on the AV, I can separate them so that I can individually adjust either the intensity or the volume of that layer. You can also use the mute button on the layer, and the personality also contains a channel down here at the bottom which lets us control the audio remotely for each layer. So another new feature that we have in version 9 is the dynamic content page. So we've always supported the use of real-time generative patches in AI, but it has been somewhat complicated. So the dynamic content page simplifies the use and the implementation in AI. So if we go down to the corner button here, we can go to the performance section and into the dynamic content page here. So it brings us to this page. So on the left we've got the pieces of dynamic content which are currently on the system. We can use shader code, we can use modules, anything that works in AI. And the principle with this page is that when you create your patch, it's created within a wrapper so that when the patch is loaded, you automatically get these parameters available to you. And it makes it much easier to control. So let's just give you a quick example. I've got on the left here, I've got some patches. So I select my patch. Then on the right, I can activate the content and then fade it in like so. And depending on the patch, you'll get different parameters available here. We can change things like the speed and the zoom in real time and change the colors and whatever you've programmed in your patch to work. This one's actually from shadertoy.com, and we do provide a template for using the free code from ShaderToy, so you can just copy and paste. It's a great resource to make use of. So another really nice feature that we have in this version of AI, let me just turn that one off first, is live editing on the layer. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to bring up a little window so that we can see what's happening. There we go. So we'll see what I'm doing down here on this preview window. So when I right click on a clip, we can see the preview of the clip here. Now on the old version, when I made edits or adjustments to the clip, I would need to go out and then re-trigger the clip to see the differences on the screen. So what we've done now is we have a live preview on layer button, and when I activate this button, as I make my adjustments, you see the changes happen in real time, which is much, much better. And we've even included some things in here to lock the size so that when you do scaling, your aspect ratio will be truly preserved. And we've also got a preview volume in there, should you need to preview your volume on your clip as well. We're at Prolight 2016 today. We're in Hall 4 at stand 80. There's lots of us here from Avolites, so come down and have a chat with us if you want to know more. We've got specialists in video and lighting all across the team here.